Karen. I'm sitting with Stacy Raybach, Operations Director of Fantasy RV Tours. We're talking a little bit about Mexico. We get a lot of questions, and guests are really excited and nervous. Should they be nervous about going into Mexico?
No, they shouldn't be nervous. I understand how they could be nervous because you hear a lot of things in the news, but it's really very safe, and going with an RV tour company is really the best way to ensure that you will be surrounded by other people and have a safe border crossing.
Will we travel together for security?
In Mexico, we do travel together. It's called closed caravan style, and we do make sure everybody sticks together. We do an escorted border crossing with our wagon master team, and so we'll start across the border. The wagon master will go first, and then they'll pull over, and everybody that crosses the border will pull over behind the wagon master until the very last person has crossed the border, and that would be the tail gunner that is following up behind.
Good. And do I need anything special? Do I have to have a passport to go into Mexico?
You absolutely will need a passport to go into Mexico. It needs to be a valid passport with an expiration that is at least 6 months after the end of your rally day. So you want to make sure that you have that all in order, and you want to make sure you do that in advance because it is a little bit slower these days than it used to be to get a passport. You will also need liability insurance, Mexican liability insurance on your RV and your tow vehicle. Our customer packet will give you some information regarding that, and your wagon master will be able to advise you on how to get the insurance policy and to make sure you have all the documents that you need.
When we're down there at our sites, what about the travel? Should I be nervous about driving around, getting to sites?
No, while you're on the Fantasy RV tours, either our whale watching or any of our rallies that take place in Mexico, we provide all of the transportation so that you do not have to drive in Mexico or be on your own. Of course, you can. If you want to take your tow vehicle and go to Walmart or whatever you need to do, you can do that. But we'll have transportation for all the activities.
Can I bring my pets with me?
Of course, you can bring your pets. You need to make sure you have vaccinations up to date and have the records with you in the vehicle when you're crossing the border.
How about food? Everybody's always worried about eating and drinking in Mexico.
We do our very best to make sure that you don't get any illnesses from Mexico, and we will provide all of the drinks and dinners for you at the restaurants, and it's perfectly safe in all of the restaurants to drink in the locations that we go to.
Sounds like fun. I'm ready to go.
Yes, me too.